Now, let's talk about an issue which has happened to me and a bunch of other people, and that is that you are basically connected to your AirPods Max, but there is still no sound. So, what's really going on? Naturally, at first, just ensure that you are really connected, because just go to the Bluetooth section and check out if the AirPods Max are there and if it says connected. And if it does, and still there is no sound coming out of them, there is a possibility that the audio output is selected incorrectly. So when you swipe down to access the control center, you can find the music platter, or you should at least, right? So if not, just add it in there. But next to it, you have the audio output or the AirPlay icon, and you get to pick whether you want to use the speakers of your phone or the Apple TV or some kind of third-party Bluetooth speaker or whatever, but also there should be the AirPods, assuming you're connected. So you want to ensure that we are actually using the AirPods as the output device, right? So that's very important. Also, you can notice that whenever you are switching or dialing up the audio, the AirPods logo should be there, and it should be clear that we are actually adding the volume of the AirPods. And naturally, that's kind of an obvious thing, but just ensure that the volume is loud enough, of course, to ensure that there is actually sound getting or coming out of the AirPods. But if this doesn't fix the issue, and after you have performed all of the basic things like restarting the phone or updating the iOS, and if it still doesn't work, it's kind of possible that there is a fault in the actual AirPods, that there is a hardware limitation or something going on. So perhaps get the AirPods checked in the Apple Store or whatever you just bought them. So that's it. Hopefully you managed to figure it out and make it work. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below so you never miss another tutorial like this one. I'm gonna catch you in the future.